Oh, he got me! He got me! He got me! He got me! So we're getting. We're getting the baby turkeys in, so that's what we're doing. And yes, we're turkey puttering us. And there's the baby turkeys. Oh my God, I got baby turkeys out. So I've got a baby turkey, baby turkey. I got 2 turkeys escaped. 2 escaped baby turkeys. There we go, baby turkeys. We're down on the farm, guys. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got to chase up 2 turkeys now. Left the bloody door open, didn't I? And now I got 2 turkeys. 2 turkeys. There we go. Turkums. Got 1 baby turkey alone now. So I got little baby turkey there. Beautiful. Turkums. There we go. There's Turkum 1. Go on in here. And we've got to find the other Turkum. Turkum. Oh, Papa. Oh, Papa. They're rough with the Turk. Gotta get Turkum to bed. So anyone watching me now, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I'm down on the farm. It's been bloody hot today. I've let the sheepies. I've let the sheepies. Well, some of the sheepies. These are sheepies, right? So we've got sheepies there, and we've got these ones. That's the neighbour's sheep. My sheep. Right, so we've got sheep's thing. So the burning area. So again, if anyone wants to subscribe and join my channel, anyone got anything they want to say, right? Please do so. Right? So please do so. Just make sure that this is the right live stream. Do you know, is this the right live stream for my channel? Is this the right? I don't think this is the right live stream for